be honest, there are people in our lives that are irreplaceable, and not being able to give a genuine apology just means that we have lost a genuine friend or whoever the person is. According to the renowned clinical psychologist Dr. Roberta Robb, offering an apology can feel like an admission of failure or a sign of weakness, when in reality it is a sign of strength. I am so happy to have you here today because you have identified that you have gone wrong and you are looking for a way to fix it, which is so scarce in today's world. In this video, I will be sharing with you 3 tips on how you can give genuine apology. I also learned this myself. I thought it was just, oh, I'm sorry, and some of those things, but there is actually a technique to doing this. Without further ado, let's go straight into the video. The first tip in apologizing to someone you have hurt is to acknowledge. Show them that you are aware of your actions and how your actions have hurt them. Be humble. You have just hurt another human being. Let out your emotions. Don't hold back, even if you want to cry. Because at that point, you don't matter. They do, and their feelings. The only thing you need to focus on is your apology. Don't try to solicit for your case or try to talk about how they have caused it or how an external factor has also contributed to this. The second tip on how to give a genuine apology to someone you have hurt is to refrain from certain words. Sometimes it might not be our intention, but there are words and they have meanings on how they can be interpreted, which is not how you have meant it. So why not save yourself the stress and cut some slack by not even using them, and this would appear genuine. Not appear, it is genuine. We're talking about genuine apology here. The first is using conditional words. If, but. I am sorry if I hurt you, but you were also wrong. So your apology is hinged on something. Second, minimizing languages. Just, only. I was just trying to help. I only did it because there is something wrong. Third, excuses. Because I didn't mean to. I am sorry, I didn't mean to hurt you. Because the traffic was terrible. You have just shifted blames. Fourth, blame shifting phrases. You made me. It was because of you. I am sorry, but you made me so angry. I only did it because of what you said. Five, vague languages. I am sorry for whatever happened. Sorry about the stuff. What stuff? Six, insensitive phrases. I am sorry, but it is not a big deal. Can't we just move on? Now that you have heard these words from a point of someone receiving the apology, how did you feel? The third tip on how to give genuine apology when you've hurt someone is to tell them how you want to fix it. Then ask them how they want you to fix it. Talk about how you intend to prevent such going forward. I learned this from Layla in one of her videos where she talked about giving an apology is not enough, but taking the extra step to stating how you would prevent this from happening again. And that way it shows that it is genuine, and this cuts across any relationship, even to your boss. This also shows that you feel bad for hurting them and you don't want to do it again, and that is why you have taken the deep analysis to prevent this from happening in the future. Also, asking them how they want you to fix it shows that you are seriously thinking about them, because they might have the best solution in how their healing process will be faster. And it also shows that you are not just thinking from your point of view alone. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I wish you all the best in giving that apology to that person. I hope to see you in my video next week, and do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Bye.